As the world waits for the 8th international edition of the world's biggest culinary competition, the Young Chef Olympiad 2022 will be another breathtaking marvel. Its myriad themes and messages will make YCO 2022 a global culinary competition that aims to achieve the United Nations Global Goals for Sustainable Development. Hosted by IIHM and in association with IHC, International Hospitality Council, YCO 2022 will zoom into the kitchens of 60-plus countries as they present their culinary skills. Culinary stalwarts from across the globe and nation will be present to judge the competition, such as Michelin star chef Chris Galvin, Ranveer Brar, Sanjeev Kapoor amongst many others. Mukisa Enock from the Cooking School Uganda will represent Uganda at the world's biggest virtual culinary battle for hope. Mentor Henry Wanyama Francis will be present to spearhead their country into victory.